My name is Ryan Sadlow. I'm a co-founder and the Chief Business Officer at Blackbox Bio.
Hi, I'm David Robertson. I'm co-founder and CEO of Blackbox Bio.
We are making systems for researchers with preclinical drug development. We have an instrument that allows us to characterize the different behaviors of mice and rats, and our novel technology allows researchers to look at the weight-bearing gait and posture of these animals in ways that have never been done before.
Our first product that came out that we call the Blackbox One is essentially a fancy video recording studio for mice. We have optimal lighting, which is infrared light, so they're being imaged in the dark with night vision. We're looking at them from below, and we're imaging the weight distribution across the paws, all in one system.
It's these small mammals that actually really unlock the keys to making medicine for humans. And it's our technology that applies machine learning and artificial intelligence to look at the behavior of these animals and really unlock some insights that allow researchers to make better decisions in selecting different medicines.
So working with Klear has actually been a game changer for us. The cycle and the sales cycle for our product is that typically we will deploy an instrument and often not get paid on it for 2, 3, even 4 months from the time we've delivered. These are high-cost items with very high-end computers that we're selling. Being a bootstrapped company, not having a lot of operating capital was extremely stressful and actually was limiting our ability to deploy new products. Working with Klear and being able to get earlier payment ultimately in our bank account for the products that we're selling has allowed us to increase the rate of our growth and really has impacted our bottom line and our ability to scale. So when Ryan and I started this company, we had both been involved with venture-backed companies in the past and decided we really wanted to do something a little bit differently. To do that, we bootstrapped as much as we could, retaining equity for ourselves. We have not raised any of the traditional venture or institutional money. So that's allowed us to maintain control and really maintain a lot of autonomy in choosing where the company goes. The downside of that is that getting a big multi-million-dollar check from a VC gives you that cushion and that operating capital that has its own advantages. Klear has really given us the best of both worlds by being able to get that revenue in the door as soon as the purchase order is signed. It has allowed us to scale more rapidly, retain equity for ourselves in the company that we otherwise would have had to give away to investors.
The problem that we were looking for Klear to help us with was cash flow. And with our focus on funding through revenue, the ability to get cash in earlier allowed us to make investments to grow faster. Since we're profitable, we're able to take that capital and to build more systems, which accelerates the number of deployments, which accelerates our impact. And so that has been a direct consequence of our partnership with Klear.